Hello everyone, welcome to LimeGuru channel. In this session we are going to learn that how you can read Excel files in Python using a simple Python library which is XLRD. So we will be doing a live demo to read one Excel file. Let me show you what the Excel file looks like. So this is my Excel file which has just 4 rows, which is let's say the name of the course and the count of how many courses LimeGuru has. So Java has 10 courses, Big Data has 20, Python has 30, and Data Science has 10. So this is the these are the columns of courses and the counts. So we are going to read these two columns, and all these columns are in my sheet 1, which is the first sheet. So let's see how we can read the individual sheets in Excel using Python, and how we can read the content of the Excel. So in order to use that, you will need to install one Python package which is XLRD. So I've already installed using pip command, pip install XLRD. You can also install it on your system, and then you can import XLRD. Then after that, what I need to do is I need to provide the location of the file which is input.xls. So input.xls is kept here only in parallel to my program readexcel.py. So I can give the path like input.xls. Then I need to open the workbook. So I'm opening the workbook on this location. I'm opening the Excel sheet on this location, which is workbook, and then I'm reading which sheet I want to fetch the data from. The sheet is at index 0. I want to read the first sheet. If you want to read the second sheet, then the index will be 1. So index can vary from 0 to n depending on which sheet number you want to read. So now I am printing a particular cell value which is at 00 position. So at 00 position, let's see what I have in my data set, or in the Excel I have Java. So let's see I'm able to read the cell value or not. If I'm able to read it, then I'll show you the program that how you can read the complete data set. So let me print a specific cell value first. So let me run the program, so you can see that Java has been printed. So that means I am able to read my Excel file. So let me read this 10, which is 01. So let me read cell value 01. So if I read 01, so you can see it has printed 10. So in this way you can print a specific cell value if you are interested in a range of cell values or particular specific cell values. And then is the program that how you can read the complete data set in your Excel file using XLRD. So for that, what I need to do is I need to find how many rows are there, which is sheet.n rows, and then how many columns are there, which is sheet.n columns. Then after that, I am running two loops. One loop is for rows from I for I in range 0 to number of rows, and then I am running a second loop for from 0 to number of columns. It's a standard order of n square loop where I have to traverse rows and columns. So I'm just traversing rows and columns, and then after that I am fetching the value from each cell, which is ij, cell value ij, and then I am adding it to the list, and then I'm printing the list. So all the rows will be printed using this for loop function. So let's try to run this program now. So if I run this program, so you can see that my whole data set has been printed: Java 10, Big Data 20, Python 30, and Data Science 10. So which is the same as my data set in the Excel sheet. Now you can do your own processing. You have the data set in your Python program, you can do your own processing, whatever you want to do. So this is a simple program that how you can use XLRD to read Excel file. And then you can work on sheets, specific dates, specific cells, specific rows, specific columns, or the complete data set. You can achieve that using Python. That's it about this video. I'll share this code in the GitHub URL, which will be shared in the video description. And yeah, thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe LimeGuru channel. Bye.